Hello, and welcome back to the instructional video collection for Web 111 Introduction to Web Graphics. In the last video, we learned how to repair a photo using the healing brush tools. In this video, I will demonstrate an example of how to use filters by creating a digital painting from a digital photo. Okay, let's get started. As a reference, this is what the completed project will look like. Now let's open the garden file. Save the working copy as Apply 6.1 Garden Painting with the PSD extension. We are going to make several changes, so let's create a new layer to hold the modifications. Right-click the background layer, duplicate layer, let's name it Edits. Now let's hide the background layer so we are only seeing the Edits layer. We need to increase the saturation of colors. Click Layer from the menu bar. Select New Adjustment Layer. Hue Saturation. Click OK. Now on the Adjustments panel, you'll notice that the Hue Saturation options are available. Click the Master drop-down button to select a color. First, let's select the red. We need to change this saturation to 50. Now let's select the yellow. We need to change this saturation to 60. And the blues need to be changed to 73. Now let's go back to the Layers panel. Select the Edits layer, and then from the menu bar, select Filter. Select Filter Gallery. Now, these are all the different filters that we have available to us. We're going to use the artistic filters in this example, so let's click on Artistic. First, we want to select the dry brush thumbnail, which will apply this look. Let's set the brush size to 7. Let's set the brush detail to 8 and let's set the texture to 2. We want to add another effect layer, so let's click on the Add New Effect layer. This time we want to select the Cutout filter. The number of levels should be 5, the edge simplicity should be 2, and the edge fidelity should be 1. Let's add another filter. This time we're going to use the rough pastels. Let's set the stroke length to 4, the stroke detail to 3. We're going to set the texture to canvas, the scaling to 120, set the relief to 24. And we want to make sure that the light is selected to the bottom. Let's click OK to close the filter gallery, and we can see the difference. It looks pretty neat. Now let's save the file. OK. And let's take a look at the original and the new side by side and compare the difference. Looks pretty neat, doesn't it? Well, that will conclude this video where we learned how to use filters. This also concludes the collection of videos for Web 111 Introduction to Web Graphics. I hope they were helpful. Thank you.